Hello, I'm Wallin. I'm so glad to be able to talk to you today and tell you about Beehive and how it began. I was a young woman with 4 children, 3 of whom were 4 years and under. And I was very fortunate to be asked to be a part of the Mental Health Association here in Houston, and was asked to develop an early childhood program. The proposal that was written for Beehive to be able to be here at West University Elementary School was one which stated that it would be a program which would certainly provide to prepare children for their later learning life, but especially that it would be a place where people would develop friendships and community and grow a network of families throughout the community that would give strength to this city, and also for the school, that it was preparing parents even before their children were formally in school to be associated with the school and to become positive about coming and giving some time to help at the school and be involved and be a part of their child's learning. So all of that was an exciting thing that happened, but that isn't the main reason that Beehive is so unique. Beehive is so unique because it is a place where children are loved and respected and given the opportunity to make decisions and be themselves and to do all the things that they are able to do in a way that they are able to do it and build their self-esteem and build their sense of confidence and knowing that they are able to become who they are to be.